Hello everyone. This is a slightly different video. In this video, I'll be talking about my failure in trying to run YouTube ads to a promotion, which I discussed about just over a couple of weeks ago. And to be honest, when I first set up this campaign and this prediction, I was so excited because it had a profit. But when the real figures came in, it was really disappointing. So sometimes one can get to this conclusion and say, well, YouTube ads don't work or Facebook ads don't work. Well, let's take a look at this and see how my predictions were wrong and how perhaps I could make the change to this and make it work. Okay, so this was the prediction I created. So here, my main idea was I was going to push traffic from YouTube ads. And I was really looking for 5,000 visitors to start off with. Okay. So with these 5,000 visitors, I was predicting that 50% would watch this ad. And then 50% of these people would go to my upsell, which I will upsell them to my lifetime membership. And with this lifetime membership, 2% of them would purchase. So out of every 100, 2 will take me on the upsell. But to be honest, it didn't work that way. And as you can see here, in fact, you can't really see it. Let me remove my face here. So this simulation here gave me a profit of about $8,000. But like I said, it didn't work that way. So let's take a look at the raw data and see where things got messed up and how I could improve them. So over here is where I ran the campaign. So this was a video that I created promoting my free YouTube video. I think you can see this little thumbnail here, which says free WordPress course. So I ran this and this only got 13 clicks, 5,000 views, and this cost me 112 pounds. Okay, pounds. So this is slightly more in US dollars. So here you can see the keywords were pretty much blog in web design. These are the keywords that worked. And I also ran another ad. And let me show you the other ad that I ran. So I ran 2 ads. So this one here gave me 7,200 views. This is more than the 5K that we used in our simulation. And this cost me 217 pounds, which is again, much more than this in US dollars. And this got a view rate of 1.2%, which is really bad. To be honest, this is really bad. And as you can see, there's no clicks here. So I guess this comes down to, was it my thumbnail? Was it my message in the video that really got the view rate really low? I don't know. But one thing I can tell you is this did not live up to expectations. So let's go here and let's see how many people actually opted in. So over here now, WordPress Mastery, 204 subscribers. So in terms of the subscribers, that's not really bad. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use a calculator. So let's say if 2% would have bought, how much money would we made from this funnel? So 2% is 2 divided by 100 times 200 subscribers. Okay, that was 4 people at our product here of 197. So this would have given me 788, which is a profit. To be honest, this is 788 pounds, considering that 2% would have bought here, which is 4 people, 788. But in reality, if you take a look here, I've spent 217 here, and I also spent 112 here. So I would have made a profit, but far from what I was predicting with this tool called Geru. So it's not the prediction tool that's a problem. It's just that my figures were not on point. So this is where now, as an entrepreneur, you want to go back to the drawing board and figure out why the view rate was really low. In fact, you know what? The view rate for this ad was actually quite better, because this is at 33.3%. And this one here was terrible at 1.5%, but it cost me 217. So you can see here that this is crazy, and this is 0 clicks. To me, that's a fail, right? I mean, you can't be spending $217, I mean, 217 pounds and not get any clicks. You know, that's a lot of money not to just get any clicks here. So it is crazy. Well, this one here is slightly better at 33%, and I also paid less, and also I had 13 clicks. So as you can see, sometimes when we do predictions, they may look very good on paper. We get emotional. In my case, I was so excited. I was so emotional. But hey, you know what? When I went to look at the figures, in fact, I was quite nervous because I wasn't sure what was happening. So every single day I kept looking at my stats to see if the money was going anywhere near the 8 grand that I had predicted. But to be honest, very far close to that. So these are the realities of running an online business. So if you're an entrepreneur, you're going to get failures, and you're also going to get through situations which are emotional and difficult. But the most important thing is to go back to the drawing board, figure out where the issue could be. So right now, when I look at this, I'm actually thinking maybe it's the message in my video. Maybe my targeting was wrong. Maybe it's the landing page that's not converting really well, but at least I got 200. So it's not really the landing page that's the problem. I think it's the video itself and the messaging itself. So as you can see, there are so many factors that could affect this campaign from really getting the numbers that I predicted. But I think in the future, I just need to lower my predictions and perhaps get a slightly better picture based on these figures that I am actually getting now. So like I said, as an entrepreneur, just try to go back to the drawing board. Don't give up. Keep trying. And if any of you guys have any ideas, tips to help me with YouTube ads, I'd really appreciate it. This channel is all about learning and teaching each other how to succeed as an entrepreneur. So this is an example of me failing at a really exciting funnel that I'd created. So I hope to share more of these stories with you, whether it's my fails, whether it's my, successful campaigns. So yeah, I know it's crazy, but let's see what happens. I'm going to go back to the drawing board, work on this again, and I will be coming with some results again. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.